and today we are doing a really fun summer hairstyle. So I think this is the first video in my summer hairstyle series. Today we're doing some really like pretty curls. I think this would just be really nice for the summertime, and it's like really relaxed, and you guys can add a bunch of other stuff. I'm just gonna be teaching you guys how to do like the basic curls right now, but then maybe like in other videos I'll add like some braids, twists, all that kind of stuff. But today it's just gonna be a basic summer curls video, which you can achieve like so fast. Like in 10 minutes you'll have beautiful curls. So let's get into the video. So the very first thing that I do is I always brush through my hair to make sure it is tangle free to start our hairstyle. And I don't know if you guys watch my vlog, I'll also be putting that in the cards, and you guys can see me actually get my hair cut and the whole process of all of that, because now it's really short compared to how it used to be. I'm not going to be using heat protection today just because mine's like downstairs in the basement and I'm too lazy. Normally I would have heat protectant, and the curling wand that we're going to be using is this Numi wand. It is this 5-in-1 curling wand. I'm using the biggest barrel. It's like the Lustrum set. I literally got this, I want to say 4 years ago, and it's still like my go-to curling iron set. So I'm just going to turn it on and then it'll heat up and then we'll start the hairstyle. Okay, so the very first step is taking clips like these. These are go-to when you want to curl your hair. Little pterodactyls. So we're just gonna section off our hair. So I'm gonna do a top section and then a middle section. If you take your hair and section it off into pre-sections, like pre-sectioned sections, then it just makes life way easier. And you guys can always just, you know, do the whole half up, half down thing, but I'm not about that life. I'm so weird. I don't understand why I'm so weird. Also, just like a side note, you guys, if you have any video suggestions you want me to do or anything like that for future videos, please let me know. I know it's like an algorithm, yeah, I get it, and I haven't been here for a very long time, and I apologize for that, but it's just really unmotivating seeing my videos getting 100 views when they used to get 1,000 in like a day, and now I'm getting 100 in like 2 to 3 weeks, which is kind of upsetting on my part. If you guys have any ideas how I can fix that, like I am posting every single week and it's just, I don't know, it's really unmotivating, but it's not about the views. So at the end of the day, I'm still going to be posting. I love making videos, I love hair, that's why I made this channel. I love makeup, and even though my makeup videos don't get like as many views as my hair ones, I'm still going to make makeup videos because, you know, it's what I like. So, you know, that's a little spiel while we get that curling iron warming up. I always pop on one of these gloves. I'm going to be taking my bottom section here, and then I'm going to section that into 3 little sections. And then I'm just going to take the big curling wand and then start going like this around the curling iron. I like to hold it for, I want to say like 5 to 8 seconds, and then I'll put it in my hand, which is why I love these curling like gloves, because they just make life so easy. Put it in here, and then I just hold it for a few seconds to let the curl really like set, and then you just bring it down, and then ta-da, we have our curl. And since we like section them off into pretty big sections, like this is like, I want to say like 1 inch or 1.5 inches, this is how you really get those like summer boho vibes. And since we saw we curled this way, next we're going to take it behind our head and curl this way. You always want to alternate curls, because if you don't, you'll end up with a hot mess. Trust me, it'll end up curling into like one big piece, and nobody wants that. So this is how we avoid it. And hold it. I find that tight curls are nice when you want them to last longer throughout the day, because then they do loosen, but this is more relaxed summer curls. It also depends on the size of your wand. I really like big ones right now. And then I'm just gonna let that cool while I do the other side. And again, we're just gonna split this into 3 sections again, and they're gonna be pretty big sections, like this big. And then we always want to alternate. So this one I'm doing away from my face, so the next curl I'm gonna be doing towards my face. We're gonna do the curl towards the face this time. And just remember, the longer you hold it, the more like damaging it is to your hair. So you don't want to hold the curling iron for too long, just enough for, you know, the curl to really like set. And then hold it in your hands, because gravity will do its thing, and if it's still trying to cool while you're pulling it down, then it's just not good. So hold it in your hand while it cools, stays in that shape, and then when it's cool you can let go of it, and then you have really pretty curls. So right now I'm just letting it kind of cool naturally, and then I'm going to take the second layer of my hair down. I think it's like much easier to have them sectioned in 2 sections, so you don't have to tie it back up, and then it gets all messy if it like comes to the front and all that stuff. If you want, you can do gradual gradient size sections. So you want to start with the biggest sections at the bottom, and then here on the sides you want like smaller sections, or you guys can do the same size. That part is totally up to you guys. Just another tip, really important, when you have the pieces closest to your head, you want it to go away from your face. Sizing again is completely up to you guys, how big or small you want the sections. I tend to go for like a variety. It looks nicer at the end, so you can get like a mix of some big pieces and some small pieces, but that part's totally up to you guys. And we're just going to continue doing this to our whole head. We're going to alternate between like big and small pieces and like tighter to the head, looser to the head, just to make everything really pretty and natural at the end. Now that we're done, the middle section is literally like, I haven't stopped the timer on my camera and it's literally been 11 minutes. So I'm telling you right now, guys, that's including the introduction that I did. This is gonna be so easy for you guys to do, like if you're in a rush or anything. Just take a, like the trick is big barrel, big sections, and you'll be good. And I like to take this one fairly close to like the top of my head, almost as if it's touching, and then this is like probably the most important piece to me because I have these annoying baby hairs, and if I don't curl them, oh, it's really important that we curl this one, and it gives you a lot of volume for the front of your head, so we want that. Okay. Okay. So no joke, dead on, my camera says 14 minutes and 58 seconds, including the introduction that I gave. So definitely under 15 minutes, if not under 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is, if you guys like the way these curls are, you guys can leave them, but I want to make them a little more like natural, a little more wavy. So I'm just going to take my finger and just finger comb through them. But just remember, the more you play with it, the looser they get. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, so I'm going to turn around so you guys can see better. Let's see if I can tilt my camera down. Yeah, okay. So you just want to like play around with it, shake it, and this is the final product. Guys, how pretty and like beachy and like stunning are these curls? So easy, so fast, so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a big old like right down there. I really hope you guys liked it. It was so easy, so fast. Like, this is my go-to summer hairstyle now. And then like, you guys can finish it off with like some braids or some twists, which I think will be really, really gorgeous. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. And all my social media will be right over here. No surprise. And yeah, I have a vlog channel. I post new vlogs every single Tuesday, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It's right over there, so go click that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week for another Flavor Hair Friday. Bye!